Rencraft started back in 1980. The principle was, let's build something that would last the test of time. So the process of taking the kitchen from a CAD image into reality, the drawings will go out into the workshop where they're then processed in different areas. So doors will be made, drawer boxes will be made, frames will be made, components will be cut. This will all be done in our mill where the bigger machinery is. And then they come over into our assembly shop and finishing shop where various pieces of components will come together. So each kitchen, each cupboard, each drawer box, each door is individually made for each client. That then will all work their way into the spray shop where everything is finished. Painted kitchens are primed, ready to paint on site. Each piece, once it's sprayed, will come together as an individual rigid carcass for that client. They'll come together all ready to be delivered. We not only have the workshop, which I see as a massive asset to us, we employ good designers, not salesmen, we employ good designers to listen to the client, to fulfill their brief, but also give inspiration. We've followed the principles of let's design and build a product that will last. Our kitchens will last in excess of 20 years, and we've got plenty of clients out there with that proven track record, and that's one of the principles we still stick by.